Set on the foothills of the Andes, just outside Santiago, Chile, this house doesn't begin as a clean slate. Instead, it tells a layered story, one that has been rewritten multiple times. Designed by Iván Bravo Arquitectos, Tam House is not simply a renovation, but an exploration of how architecture can evolve over time, blending fragments of the past with new spatial ideas. What makes this project especially interesting is how it sits somewhere between a brand new construction and what architects often call a palimpsest, a structure that carries visible traces of its own history. Rather than erasing what came before, the design carefully extends earlier layouts, weaving them together with newer interventions to create a continuous, layered spatial experience. From the outside, the house presents a strong and somewhat unexpected gesture. The front facade rises with a more urban character, facing the street with clarity and presence. But as the building moves toward the back, it shifts dramatically, turning away from the mountains and following the natural slope of the terrain. The roof descends almost to the ground, compressing the rear elevation into a thin, semi-buried strip that connects directly to the garden. This relationship with the landscape becomes even more evident once you step inside. The heart of the home is a double-height space that opens toward an interior garden. Here, the living and dining areas share volume with the main bedroom, creating a sense of openness that feels both expansive and intimate at the same time. Upstairs, the structure becomes lighter, both visually and structurally. Two children's bedrooms are connected by a shared central studio, encouraging interaction while still allowing for individual space. This upper level was intentionally designed as a lightweight construction, carefully placed to avoid overloading the original foundations, which were never meant to support more than a single story. On the opposite side, facing the street, the atmosphere shifts. This half of the house accommodates more functional spaces, including the kitchen and a ceramics workshop for the owner. It's a subtle but effective zoning strategy, splitting the house between social, private, and productive uses, while still maintaining a cohesive overall layout. One of the most compelling aspects of Tam House is how it embraces its own imperfections. Inside, you can clearly read the different stages of its construction history. Changes in materials appear across walls and surfaces, only loosely unified by a layer of white paint. Openings cut through existing walls reveal what used to be there, turning the building itself into a kind of architectural record rather than hiding its evolution. In contrast, the exterior tells a completely different story. Wrapped bilcamely in a standing seam metal skin, the house reads as a single monolithic volume, clean, quiet, and almost abstract. And just in front of this unified facade, a small wooden kiln room stands apart as the only entirely new addition, marking the latest chapter in the home's ongoing transformation.